Hello everyone, this year I'm gonna show you guys how to add fix or custom cosmetic to your Gorilla Tag copy. So yeah, let's get into the video. So yeah, I don't know about holdables, but yeah, about that. So what you want to do is go to my Discord, and then you're gonna scroll down until you find my server. Then you're going to download this and then import it to your game, drag it out, and then name it whatever you want. But make sure it's your place ID. By what I mean by that is go over to your catalog, and then you're going to click new item and name it your item ID, whatever item ID you want. So I did 5A's period, and then your display name must be whatever you did for your item ID. And yeah, and then you just copy that. Save item, paste, and then if you're making a currency, do not do currency and then how much you want it to cost. But yeah, I'm doing 1500. Now make it perfect on how you guys want your thing to look like. Now, in this case, I'm not gonna make it any perfect because this is a tutorial video, not like an actual like thing. So yeah. All right. So I'm gonna make it like that. You're gonna want to right click prefab, make sure you have the exact ID name, and then you're gonna want to go to your rig body, and then you're gonna drag it inside old cosmetic body. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna copy it, but then you want to add it. I'm gonna be sure that's how to add it to your actual gorilla, make it work in it. So you're gonna go to local gorilla player, scroll all the way down, and you're gonna find something called cosmetics. Uh, Scroll all the way down, and then you're gonna click this plus icon right here. Drag it on right there, and then you're gonna want to right click on it, copy it, and then turn it off. Now you're gonna want to go over to your gorilla player, and then you're gonna go over to your rig body, and then you're gonna paste it inside this old cosmetic. Alright, now that you've done that, what you're gonna want to do, it should look perfectly on your thing. As you can see. You guys can adjust it on how you guys want it to see me. I don't really care. Mine's just a tutorial. Then you're gonna go over and you're gonna click on Real Player Network, and then you're gonna click, or then you're gonna scroll down and the cosmetics button right there. Then you're gonna scroll down, and then you're gonna click this plus button, dragging your finger painter onto there. Oops, sorry guys. And then you're gonna want to turn it off. Alright, now that you've done that, what you're going to do is look up cosmetics controller, and then you're gonna want to click all cosmetics, scroll down, plus put AAA or whatever you did for your item ID, whatever it is. I'm doing a badge, and then I'm gonna do the early access, I guess. And then for the display name, you want to do AAA. How much is it gonna cost? I'll do 1500. Or display name, you want to do your item ID, or replace that item ID. Then make sure it can try on. Alright, now you've done anything. Now that we've done that, you're gonna go over to your city, and you're gonna go over to whatever helmet you want to do. I'm just gonna do this one for example. And you're gonna click on it. Or first of all, you're gonna find the basic. You're gonna want to right click, paste the child. It might be smaller. Just scale it up. It'll be tiny. It'll be tiny. So scale it up. And then you're gonna want to like rotate it or fit it perfectly on it. So yeah. I'm not gonna make mine that perfect because this is just a tutorial. Alright, now that you have that like that, what you're gonna do is you're gonna click this, and then you're gonna click this, and then you're gonna click basic beanie. And I'll just put this inside basic beanie. And then you're gonna go click this basic beanie right here. Go down. This cosmetic item right here, you're gonna drop down arrow, and then you're gonna do AAA or emoji badge, early access, and then your display name, and then how much it costs. So mine's 1500. Can try on, and then your AAA. All right, now if we click play until it loads. Give it a minute to load. If you guys have a fast thing, it might load faster. Alright, now that you've done that, you're gonna see your city's off. You're gonna click the city right here, and you turn it on. Now you're gonna click on your head model. Oops, your button, and you're gonna click on like the basic menu or whatever you're doing, head model over there, and then you're gonna click test press. Should go red, and it should say like how much you. Never mind, it doesn't show how much you lost, but yeah. And then you're gonna see this, and then you should see. Oh wait, I'm so sorry guys. I forgot to give me or work my thing to work. So now what you're gonna do is click play, and then the next thing you're gonna want to do is wait, and then click scene, and then it should show you center. Whoops, I gotta see. And then and then you're gonna go over here, button, basic, test press, and then it should show right here. It should show like a test press. Yes, I need it. And then it should say success. And then you guys will have it up here. Now we did add it to the player model, but if you go over and you click badges and you click test press, you're just gonna see it's not on the head model because we didn't add the head models to make the head models work. So I'll be showing you guys what to do. So you're gonna click here. You're gonna turn off this, not the badge though, or whatever you're doing. And then you're gonna turn off all of this. And then you're gonna want to right click, paste this child. It might be off the head model. So then you want to use all of it. So you want to drag it perfectly. And then like this, maybe something like that. Alright. Then once you have it perfectly, hold up, that's not perfect. Perfectly all set up, what you're gonna want to do is copy it, turn on all these stuff, plus this, plus these two, and then you're gonna want to go over to your head model left, cosmetics, and then scroll out and click the plus, and then drag it on. Now, to make it all work, what you're gonna do is you're gonna copy it, go to the next one, and then you're gonna right click, paste as child, and do it for all of them. I'll be back when I'm done with this. Mommy? Mom? What? You're still hungry? I'm not really that hungry though, Mom. What? Yeah. Alright guys, now that you're done with all these four, and this one if you're doing the Bible, now, and this is what it should look like guys. So it should look like, click on it, you, badges, you paste it in, and then you put it inside of the head model. Yep. Now what you're gonna do is click play again. Wait for it to load. Alright, now what you're gonna want to do is click scene up the top, and then you're gonna open up City if you want to, and then if you go down and go to badges. Go to test press. Or not portable, sorry, I mean badges. As you guys can see, the fingerprint is right on there, and that's basically how you do it. I'm just gonna quickly move my gorilla to see if it works. I don't know why it says that. Let me go ahead and quickly move my gorilla player real quick out of just to show you guys that it works. As you guys can see, it's going with my gorilla because we added it to the gorilla, which stables it on. So let me just bring this up real quick. Hold up, I guess I like to launch this. I did not mean to do that. I'm so dumb. Should not follow my analyze. I didn't mean to do that, but why is it falling to the map? Why is it falling to the map? I don't know what it is. Wait, hold up. Alright, now that it's been stumped right here, should work. But yeah, I don't know what happened, but that's basically how you do it, guys. Thank you guys for watching the tutorial, like, subscribe, and yeah. Bye, guys.